Hello guys, I am in the Dubai right now. Okay, thanks man. In at Indian restaurant, I will try to eat like an Indian people. This is chicken biryani.
Well, it's a foodie biryani.
Foodie biryani, huh? Okay, it looks good, man. Thank you. Okay. With my hand. Yeah. What is this?
Papa, cracker.
Cracker, okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Haha. Oh, I'm not good at the eating by hand. It's too hot, man.
The 4 fingers you can use it.
Okay.
4 fingers.
Like this?
Yeah, 4 fingers. Yeah.
2, 3 hand?
4.
4 hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
It's off. It's off now.
What? No, no, okay.
Camera is off.
No, it's okay.
It's working, right?
Yeah. It's recording now. Like that? 4 hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Touch one time my screen. Touch the screen one time.
How's that, the biryani?
Oh, very good. Touch the screen.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, it's very good. A little bit spicy, huh?
Yeah. Not too much.
Now I am good at eating with the hand, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only one hand you can see.
How can I?
One hand.
Like that?
Yeah. It's very hard.
Oh. Oh, it's very joyful.
One hand also.
Okay, I like it. Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Ha. Yeah. Taste is very, very, very good, man. You are the best in Dubai, huh? I think. But a little bit chilly. Oh man, it's too hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Yeah.
Put the yogurt at the top. Then mix it.
Okay,
Mix it.
like that. Too much mess here, sorry. I'm not good at. Okay, let's do it. Chicken problem. Oh, too hot. Okay.
There's a chart.
The guy helping me because I don't know anything. Eating by hand. But I think I play good. But guys, taste is very good. Food is very delicious. First time I have tried. Okay. Now I am good, huh? What do you think? Oh man. The guys say to me use 4 finger, but I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 finger now. Oh man. It's too much. I don't know how I can finish this food. Chicken biryani.
You want some more rice?
Can I extra Popeye? Okay, let's go. Please comment below. I'm good at eating by hand or not, especially Indian people. Comment please. Thank you, man. Oh, too hot. I'm thirsty, but I don't know how can drink. Oh, too spicy. Okay. First clean the fingers. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm good now. Oh, too much. It's too chilly.
You want some more rice or fresh juices?
No, no,
Or the Pepsi or 7-Up?
too much food here.
Pepsi you can
For
eat.
me.
Pepsi it's okay.
Am I good to? Am I good? Am I good?
This one.
I'm good at with the
Yeah, you can finish
eat
it.
by hand. What do you think?
When you talk someone there, you can easily finish it better.
No. Oh man.
So take one Pepsi.
Okay. Oh man, too chilly. The guys offer me a Pepsi. Okay. Oh. Oh, it will help me. It will be help me. Oh, thanks God for the Pepsi. Oh man, I am full. Let's go. Let's go for my subscriber. Oh. Oh no. I can't. I am full now. Thanks guys for watching my video. This is a chicken biryani, Indian special food. Very delicious, a little bit spicy. Very spicy for me. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching.